It's the same no.
No. No how? Kanto? What are you doing, bro?
Oh, no, I understand, my friend.
What are you doing? Come on.
No, it's a. Let me see. Go back to
The chat.
Yeah. No, we're in the same page. Isn't it? Now I'm upside down. You're upside down.
Why are you on USDCAD?
Different pay, man.
No, I took different.
But even if we had to, okay, luckily we were using construction, but even if it had to be mods, it would be a problem. Because you're on
it's a different pay.
You're on USDCAD.
My friend.
But yeah, this is not bad.
What the fuck is happening to it?
And it's not bad.
You see? Now it's flow.
Yeah, I like the chef, bro. Yeah, no, the chef will eat a dinner. The market is moving as well. I'm like, dessert, 15,000 pounds. And how much is it? Google Amugo. I get what
I'm gonna want some payak. Okay.
15,000.
15?
Yeah,
26.
actually 17,000 boy.
Ah, Monna.
17,000.
Okay, 300.
17,000 boy. 17,000. Yeah. Our kereta ka mo life ma. Him hot. No, actually 18,000. I'm it's 18 bro now. Now it's 18. I mean like, come on bro. It's 18 now.
43, it's not much.
3 man.
43.
343. It doesn't even buy a car, this one. Okay, 19,000.
No, this one buys a car.
Which car?
Picanto.
Will you drive the Picanto? Exactly.
Buy it for your
Exactly
mom.
my thoughts. No, at least it's an annual salary. Okay, 20,000 boy.
Ah, man, how come there is something?
Yeah, Roto, Gamara, what are we supposed to do, bro? 20,000.
382.
3?
82.
Are we good with this? Do we confirm?
Ah, but not
Are we good? Okay, 21,000 boy. 21,000. 21,000. 21,000. But it's not that 22,000 boy. I think on 400 we're good, ne?
No, when we see blue exit. Emon.
Okay, 420. 420. Hey, Abash. It's all like a style.
Hey, not from Paramo.
22. It's all like a style. You're papa. I hope it doesn't reject. I want it exactly on 22. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2. Betal. So, but yeah, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's a chilled weather, man. It's a chilled weather. Chilled weather. Yeah, no, this is my cousin as well. She made a profit. You see, this thing runs in the family. Babuchi cars. Babuchi will be the profit. Babuchi. Babuchi, Lord, Urutil Kaman. Hey, come take a take. Yeah, no, it's. Yeah, this is the rented G class.
Rental mount. Eight.
I'll stop a video. Boy. How many seconds left, boy?
12 seconds. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Why am I not making profit?
Hey, wait. I'm making money or I'm losing money?
Hey man, I would say blue.
Okay, I'm still 100. Okay?
When
Oh, I'm good. Hey, I don't know.
Can I run with the full optional bet you last time?
I'm closing.
Fuck.
$1,000 is fine.
$1,000.
Come on.
It will be petrol.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
No way, man.
You're done.
I'm done.
You made how much?
$1,000.
I don't know. It will be petrol.
Ora nyaga miriri.
I'm on. You like it.
I know, no. Yesterday. Shit.
So you play.
I'm on.
That was.
I'm sitting on about 18.
18 what?
But the movements are not big enough.
18,000. 18,000. 18. Yeah, man. Kiri US dollar you was here.
Nato flop na only gap.
Gap on a gap. Gap in Garga.
How did you manage, boy? There was a gap.
Yeah, I am movable.
Yeah. Bro.
I'm going to get them over half.
No, but then the game was in both pairs. What? Now I'm doing one rookie.
Oh, when are you using USDC? When are you love that pen?
Bon. I needed to lose you.
Bafana bakla per kala chako swana.
Malachi.
Ujil. Mar bafana bakla le soka di haircut betuel.
That's good.
We are hiding this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just that I'm not happy with the current situation of results because I can't make the same amount of money as yesterday. Yes, I had bigger dreams for today.
What's about them for now?
Like I have, I can't make 22,000. Shit, fuck! I wish I traded this one. That's like 1,000 points. That's like 800 points. Shit, I missed. No, fuck, I missed a lot of money. I missed a lot of money. No, he's using CAD USD. Shit. That's like 750 to 450. That's like 750 points. No, but my point is, you know what makes me mad right now? What makes me mad is that this amount, this 17,000 could have been 78,000.
Yeah,
you made 1,000, eh? 1,000 is not bad.
Oh, not.
1,000 is not bad.
Full tank.
How much is 1,000?
14,000.
Why you exit us so early, bro?
Hey, boy, next to show.
Amara, you could have made 10,000 between.
Next to show, man.
We are used to losing, man. You can't be.
Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. I would say.
You see, man, this I am fan.
You're not too
22, okay, 22 again.
Yeah,
let me make 22 again here. You see, trading can be stressful. These people think it's easy. Report for tech. If I can just make 22 again, 22,000 again, just like yesterday. No, it was not yesterday, the day before.
At least.
Bro, this is nonsense. Why didn't I use USD CAD?
I'm going to call me scrap.
No, I never said it's scrap.
What in a situation like this?
Fun.
Who depressed?
Look.
What's up, Farak?
Look. Take that 11,000 pounds and times it by 7. That's 70,000 pounds, dog. 70,000 pounds. And then take the 5,000 pounds and then times it by 7. That's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35. Like that's 35,000 pounds plus 70,000 pounds. That's 105 pounds. 105,000 pounds. Yeah. 105,000 pounds. That's millions, bruh. But look at where I'm sitting now. Fuck. Yes, it's fun.
I want our dog, or my dog, I will tell
We could have made $1 million plus. Damn. I'll Google 105,000 pounds more. Not, you know, it's dangerous.
100 and what?
105,000 GBP to ZAM. 1,000. Not just want my 22,000 or 20,000 pounds. And I'm good.
Oh, it's 2 meter, boy.
Yeah?
Google it.
Oh, it's here.
Google it.
Google.
Ha. No, like this is serious, bro. We could have made 2 million rands only if I used the USD CAD. This boy used the USD CAD, but he made.
And then my lot size was high.
Fuck, yo, at least I'm almost there, you know, on my 19,000.
Yeah,
so if I get my I'm good.
Now you know, I'll help you close, my friend.
Oh, 20,000.
Hey, I could have
20,000.
shit.
20.
Yeah,
Shit.
Kapela.
Lose?
Everything was slow, man.
21. Yeah, shit. 20. I could have made more money.
Hey, Twalela mo.
Fuck.
Nice on boy. Shake my hand. As always, killed it. 10,000 is not bad.
How?
We could have made 2M. But it's fine.